Hello, in front of me I've got VIVO X80 Pro. In this video I'll show you all unlock methods. In the beginning, let's go to settings. Enter security and go to screen lock. As you can see right here, we've got 5 types of screen locks: none, swipe, pattern, pin and password. Let's start with none. Now let's select swipe, next pin, then complex password, and in the end, let's select pattern. Once it's done, we can go to fingerprint and simply we have to scan our fingerprint on the fingerprint sensor located right here. Unfortunately, I can't do it right now because probably the glass that's covering the screen is too thick. But basically you have to press the sensor multiple times and each time try to adjust the fingerprint position. Then you'll be able to unlock the phone with the fingerprint ID. So now let's go to face and we simply have to scan our face in this area. Now my face is scanned, I can use it to unlock the phone. And that's it. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.